Hello, amazing learners, and welcome back to Learn English with Smart Podcast, the place where we make learning English fun, easy, and, well, not boring.
That's right, Chloe, and I'm James. Today we have an episode that is going to make you sound very, very smart.
I see what you did there, James. And that's a perfect introduction to our topic. We are starting a war today. A war on one of the most overused, most boring words in the English language, the word very.
Very is like the salt of the English language. A little bit is okay, but most people use way too much, and it makes everything taste the same. The movie was very good. The cake was very tasty. The book was very interesting. It's a vocabulary killer.
Exactly. It's a crutch. It's a word we use when we can't think of a better, more precise, more powerful word. So today, we're going to give you a vocabulary upgrade. We'll show you how to replace those boring, very phrases with single, dynamic words that will make your English sound more sophisticated and more native-like instantly.
Are you ready to supercharge your vocabulary? Let's do it. Chloe, hit me with the first one. What's the most common very phrase you hear?
Oh, that's easy. It has to be very good. My dinner was very good. Your new haircut is very good.
Okay, let's kill very good. Instead, you can use words like excellent, superb, or magnificent. If a friend cooks you a meal, don't just say it was very good. Say, this pasta is excellent.
I love that. It has so much more energy. Your presentation was superb. It sounds like you really mean it. Okay, my turn. What about the opposite? Very bad.
Another classic. Instead of very bad, try awful, terrible, or dreadful. So instead of the traffic was very bad this morning, you can say the traffic was terrible this morning.
Or, I had an awful headache yesterday. It just sounds more descriptive, doesn't it? Okay, let's move on to feelings. What do you say when you are very happy?
When you're very happy, you are thrilled, ecstatic, or delighted. For example, I was thrilled to hear you got the new job.
She was absolutely ecstatic when she won the lottery. You can almost feel the happiness in that word. Okay, and for the other side of the coin, very sad.
Instead of very sad, you can say sorrowful or miserable. Imagine your friend tells you they lost their favorite pen. You could say, "Oh no, you look miserable."
A bit dramatic for a lost pen, but I get the point. He was sorrowful after his team lost the final match. It's a much deeper emotion. Okay, next category, size. What's a better word for very big?
Oh, we have some great options here. You can use enormous, gigantic, or massive. So instead of the new shopping mall is very big, becomes the new shopping mall is massive.
I saw an enormous spider in my bathroom this morning.
Ooh, I hope it wasn't a gigantic one.
Let's not think about it. What about the opposite? Something that is very small.
For very small, you can say tiny, or if you want to sound really smart, minuscule. Pronounced min-us-cule. Minuscule.
Minuscule. I love that. The chances of winning are minuscule, but I still bought a ticket. And tiny is great for everyday use. Look at that tiny puppy!
Perfect. Now, one that I use a lot after a long day of recording this podcast, very tired.
Hey, I'm not that tiring. But yes, very tired is a common one. What's the upgrade?
The best word is exhausted. After the 10-kilometer run, I was completely exhausted. It's so much more powerful than just very tired.
It really is. I'm going to start using that. Don't talk to me. I'm exhausted. Okay, another physical feeling. What about very hungry?
If you're very hungry, you are starving or famished. You often hear people say this dramatically. I skipped lunch. I'm absolutely starving.
Yes, I say I'm starving all the time. It's so much more common among native speakers than I'm very hungry. Okay, let's talk about appearance. You see a beautiful sunset instead of very beautiful.
You could say it was gorgeous or stunning. The view from the top of the mountain was stunning. Or, wow, your new dress is gorgeous.
That's a great compliment. It sounds much more sincere than very beautiful. Okay, 2 more. Let's do another emotion. Very angry.
Ooh, a strong one. If you're very angry, you are furious. My dad was furious when I crashed his car.
I can imagine. Furious. It sounds like you're about to explode. I like it. Okay, James. Last one, and it's dedicated to you and all our listeners. What's a better way to say very smart?
Why, thank you. Instead of very smart, you can say brilliant or ingenious. For example, your idea to solve this problem was brilliant.
Or that was an ingenious plan. And that's a perfect word to end on. Whew, my brain is full of new, powerful words. Excellent, awful, thrilled, massive, tiny, exhausted, starving, gorgeous, furious, and brilliant.
And that's just a small sample. The key takeaway here for everyone listening is not to memorize this entire list at once. That's not the goal.
That's such a good point. The goal is to become aware of how often you say very. And the next time you're about to say very good or very tired, pause for a second. Try to remember one of these alternatives. Just pick one.
Exactly. This week, maybe your challenge is just to replace very good with excellent. That's it. Once that becomes a habit, you can pick another one. Small steps lead to massive, not very big, progress.
I love it. A fantastic way to wrap things up. Well, that's all the time we have for today's episode of Learn English with Smart Podcast. We hope you found it very useful. I mean, brilliantly useful.
Nice save. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss our next episode. And a fun challenge for you, leave a comment below this video and tell us your favorite new word from today. Or even better, write a sentence using one of them.
We'd be delighted to read them. Until next time, keep learning and stay smart. Bye, everyone.